In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to delete photos and videos permanently on iPhone. Deleting photos and videos from iPhone is a pretty easy process. First of all, go to your Photos app, and now all you have to need, select those photos and videos you want to delete. And once you select it, tap on delete icon. Tap on delete photos. Once you successfully deleted photos from your library, those photos and videos will be stored in recycle bin. To permanently delete them, you have to go to your recycle bin. So scroll down here and go to utilities section, and here tap on recently deleted, and under recently deleted folder you will find all of your recently deleted photos and videos. Now to delete all of them from here, tap on select and go ahead and select those photos and videos you want to delete. Tap on this three dot, tap on delete, and those photos and videos will be permanently deleted from your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.